With everything that you've been through in life, would you still try to fall in love again? Kim Chu. Walang daya.
Ano daw?
Uulitin ko po sa inyo, candidate number 4. With everything that you've been through, would you still try to fall in love again?
Oo naman. Hindi man sa ngayon muna. Pero hopefully in the next months to come. Pero
Ay, months lang? Months lang?
Hindi, years.
Bakit ka pa rin naniniwala sa pag-ibig?
Kasi ang love naman, marami namang kayang magbigay ng love. And willing naman akong tumanggap. Wow! And basta, kasali sa buhay yun. So, i-embrace natin lahat.
And, ay, syempre nag-follow up ako. Wag nang follow up. Bawal pala follow up.
Walang follow up, yun lang yun.